We're glad to introduce you to WEEDO X40, Independent Dual Extruder 3D Printer, the affordable and easy-to-use product that does everything the best do, but for less. We create the device that could offer everything that an expensive machine covers, but for 1/3 of the price. It's specially designed for DIY makers, designers, or engineers and provides a seamless user experience that anyone can enjoy. This smart printer activates the self-detection function, which tests the printer's condition each time before you get started. Moreover, the UI-improved print interface displays pictures and details for your clarity and navigation. The WEEDO X40 printing work can be controlled through the application, giving you extra convenience to bring your creations alive. To stay tuned, you can even explore working progress through the embedded webcam module, which easily activates the video monitoring mode in our slicing software. A world of multiple possibilities of the independent dual extruder allows you to conduct fast, two-color model printing and to use different materials, like water-soluble filament for the most ambitious projects. However, if you're in a hurry, you can leave the printer and it will automatically shut down after finishing its work. Also, in case of a sudden power outage, the printing progress will be saved and easily continued after the printer starts working again. We have a fully developed prototype ready for production, so we need your help to start the manufacturing process. Support us, and we will bring great 3D printing solutions to you.